Hello everyone, my name is Glenna. In this short video, I will demonstrate how Skipster and Salesforce integration works. With Skipster and Salesforce integration, you can securely transfer sensitive guest data directly between the two tools, accurately update guest details, guest lists, RSVP statuses, and attendance figures through automatic workflows. You can find the Skipster app on the Salesforce App Exchange. Click on Get It Now. The Skipster app installer will ask you if you wish to download it to your production or your sandbox environment. Please note to contact the Client Relations team at Skipster to get an API key access to set your integration. The API key will be available in the API Access section under the Integrations tab inside the Account Settings. Once you have successfully installed Salesforce, you are now ready to create events, guest lists, and guests in Salesforce. To create an event in Salesforce, open the Skipster Events object in Salesforce. Click on New Skipster Event, enter the required event information, then click Save. Any events and guest lists you create in Salesforce will automatically appear in Skipster. To create a guest list in Salesforce, from the event page, go to Related and select New. Enter the name of the guest list and click Save to create only one list, or Save a New to create further guest lists. Once you've created your event and guest list, you are ready to begin adding guests from Salesforce. To add guests individually, select the guest list, click Related, and choose New. In the pop-up window, search for your guest or enter the guest information. Here are the following steps to add a group of Salesforce contacts. In the Contact object, select to view all contacts. Select all contacts that you'd like to add to the guest list. Click on the Add to Guest List button to add all selected contacts to the event. You will see an Events drop-down where you can select the event you are working with. Choose the guest list you want to add the guest to, and click Save. You will receive a confirmation message once the contacts have been added successfully, and the screen will return to the Contact object. Additionally, you can also add guests using the Contact Profile and Campaign. On the same page, select the guest. Click on the Add to Guest List button, and on the pop-up window, select the event and guest list you want to add the guest to, and click Save. Go to the Campaign object and select to view all active campaigns. Select the campaign you'd like to add the guest, and click on the Add to Guest List button. The same pop-up window will appear where you can select the event and guest list that you'd want to add the guests. And all your selected contacts are now available in your event in Skipster. You can also create Skipster reports in Salesforce by going to the Reports object. Click on the New Report button and choose the report you'd like to create. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles, and thanks for watching.